Hello everyone! Welcome back! Today I'm gonna share tutorial of new TikTok trend edit, which is called I'm the Best. Let's get started. Get your clips ready and set on the music. Click on first clip and go to animation. Select intro animation swing bottom. Set its duration 0.2 second. Select outro animation fade out with duration 0.5. Apply to all the clips. Now move to the start of first clip and add overlay. Add white page as overlay. Zoom it to fit into the frame. Make it shorter. Go to blend and select overlay. Then go to animation and select fade out with duration full. Now copy it and drag it to the start of next clip. Keep the process going till last clip. Now add the lyrics overlay. Zoom it out a bit. Go to blend and select filter. Now go to Effect and then go to Nightclub. And select Black Flash 2. Set its speed 30 and intensity 10. Size and twist 0. Go to the object and select All Videos. Then again go to Effects and go to Nightclub. And select Camera Shake. Set its range 10 and speed 20. Go to Object and select All Videos. Now you need to split the lyrics overlay each time, where a line completes. Add a keyframe at the start of the part and then at the end. Zoom the overlay a bit at the second keyframe. Do the same to all splited parts. And your video is ready. Hope you liked this video. If it was helpful, then give it a thumbs up and subscribe this channel for more useful content. Thank y'all.